Star question 19. So the state government has released 1/4 of the remaining 30% arrears, i.e. 7.5% of the overall arrears on the 11th of February 2021. During the current financial year, there has been a huge shortfall in the monthly entitlements due to the state from the central government. This is on account of the reduction in the collection owing to COVID-19 pandemic. The state government is making all efforts to prudently manage the finances despite the challenging times. Accordingly, release of the 22.5% remaining arrears during the current financial year will be considered subject to the availability of funds.
So I know from the Honorable Minister, because have already been said that 1/4 of remaining 30% areas have already been released. May I know from him whether that employee have been accepted or not?
Sir, of course, it is the endeavor of the government to clear the amounts that are due to them, and employees definitely deserve this. This is an amount that was supposed to be cleared in 3 installments. But as I have mentioned earlier, we are, in fact, discussions took place with them. Chief Secretary also has met them, the employees, and they are aware of the conditions and the situation we face. But as I said, it is the endeavor of the government, and we will do our best to ensure that the remaining part of the amount that is pending is cleared at the earliest, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, it seemed that Honorable Chief Minister, he didn't get my question. My question, Chief Minister, have already been said that 1/4 of the remaining 30% has already been released. My question, because according to the information that we received, government employees have not been accepted this 1/4. That's why I asked him whether the government employee have been accepted or not this 1/4 of the remaining areas.
So the 1/4 amount has been released. And as I said, that obviously there are concerns from the employees and associations requesting that the rest of the amount be cleared. So therefore, the endeavor of the government will be to try and work out towards releasing it at the earliest. So therefore, the question, of course, as I said, has been answered very, very categorically, that 1/4 has been released, amounting to 38 crores, which has been released along with the salaries of the employees. And the rest of the amount has been worked towards, and we will do our best to clear the rest of the amount.
Sir, so since the Honorable Chief Minister is taking me to the question have already been replied, so may I know from Honorable Chief Minister that total amount of 1/4, because 1/4 is already been released, if we take the total amount, how much it involved?
So 1/4 is 38 crores. 1/4 of the 30% areas is 38 crores.
Sir, may I know from Honorable Chief Minister, during his reply, he mentioned that because of the current financial year, there has been a huge shortfall in the monthly entitlement due to the state from the central government. May I know from Honorable Chief Minister, how much is the shortage?
So the central devolution of taxes was budgeted at 6,490 crores. But the actual that we have received is 4,698, which means a shortfall of 1,792. In the state's own taxes, there was a budgetary estimate of 2,377, but the actuals were at 1,859. So a shortfall of 518 crores. And again, state's own non-tax revenue was supposed to be at 690 in the budget estimates, but the actuals were 481. Therefore, the difference of 209. So I have to add these three, sir, but roughly 2,500 crores was a shortfall in terms of the revenues.
So may I know from Honorable Chief Minister, whether the paying of the area pending of the government employees, whether they are making from the plan or from the state plan, sir?
So these money are committed expenditures. So therefore, this money, and as I think the honorable member will know, sir, the concept of plan, non-plan is not there anymore. So therefore, the amount is a committed liability, and it comes and it's in the top priority. And if you look at the entire last 10 months of this financial year, you have seen that we have ensured that the salaries, the pensions, and the grants have been released on time, and as I said, even the interest payments. So these are very, very top priority payments, and government does whatever it has to do to ensure that these payments are made on time. So therefore, now whatever payments that have to be made in terms of the areas also have come in from the revenue that we have collected, and we hope that in the coming months, that if the revenue does stabilize and we see some growth in that, which we do expect to see, we will do our best to clear the rest of the amount.
Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a last question.
I think you're done with 5 questions.
Sir? Yeah. So whatever the case, maybe we have to thanks to Honorable Chief Minister and the government, that the government employees are getting salary till today. So may I get them in the assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister? Because I've already said that, this current financial year, that 2020 and 2021, he will try his best to clear the remaining areas of the pending. So for regarding with this matter, what I thought that if the government have a will, because it needs the political will, so long that the government servant have been stand together with the government, may I get assurance that in this current financial year, the remaining amount will be cleared by the government, sir.
Sir, as mentioned, that we will be definitely considering it. It's all subject to the availability of funds, sir. So it will not be possible for me to give an assurance on the House floor of the House, especially when it is such an important issue. And definitely, sir, the employees are the backbone for our system. So if the employees are not motivated, the employees are not happy, and the employees are not given their share, obviously it affects the work. So we are very, very much aware of that. And it will be our endeavor, as I said, to clear it at the earliest, sir. So therefore, I can simply tell the honorable member that this is also a top priority for us, and the employees also, that this is a top priority for us, and we will work towards clearing this at the earliest, sir.